Have you ever wondered how to make a beaded retractable badge reel? Once you do, there are so many creative ways to personalize your badge reels. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make one. These are all the supplies you'll need and the pair of scissors which I had conveniently left out in the original picture. So to start with, you'll want to get rid of the end bit, which is the triangle jump ring and the plastic loop. To do so, I've used 2 sets of pliers, opening up the triangle jump ring, and your badge will fall off just like that. Pop the end bit one side, and next you are going to want to pull that string, and you should see a little knot at the very end. Grab your pair of scissors and snip off that knot. Try to stay as close to the knot as you can. Next, you are going to want to remove that little bulby thing at the end. At this point, you have to be very careful not to let go of the string. Otherwise, the string will go all the way back into the badge and you won't be able to pull it back out again. Next, you are going to grab your clamp. The one I'm using here is just from Bunnings. Because the string is so thin, you want to make sure you get a clamp with a really good grip. Here I've realized that I don't have much length of string to play around with, and that's important because you need that length to string your beads. So I'm going ahead and unclamping the string, pulling out more length, and then clamping it down again, being very careful all this while not to let go of the string. When you've clamped it down, you want to slowly release the string just to make sure it's been properly clamped down. And when you've done so, just start beading. For this tutorial, I've used our 22mm mini daisy in peach, our medical scrub top silicone bead in snow, and our 12mm brushed gold leather beads. These are also silicone. And finally, I'm finishing off with our 12mm shiny gold acrylic bead. When you're done beading, grab the end bulby bit and pop it back on. After that, grab the string and tie a single knot as close to the end as you possibly can so you don't lose a lot of string length. And when you're done, go ahead and release the clamp. Your string will snap back, but because you've already got the knot in place, it is all good and your beads won't fall off. Grab a pair of scissors and snip off the excess bit of string. And the final step would be to secure the end bit back onto the badge reel. So grab your set of pliers, loop it through the bulby bit, and grabbing your second set of pliers, close the jump rings, making sure that the ends meet. Or if they don't meet, just make sure that they are aligned. At this stage, to make sure the jump ring is secure, grab your pliers and just give it a squeeze on both ends. And that's it. You've made yourself a silicone beaded retractable badge reel with all your favorite beads on there. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you'd like to see more tutorials, please make sure you like and comment on this video to let us know. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting!